गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। आज हमारा सेकंड डे है एंड थोड़े से हम लोग डाउन हैं। वी हैव हैड आवर ब्रेकफास्ट, थोड़ा सा रेस्ट किया, फिर से ठंड लग गई है क्योंकि इट वाज वेरी विंडी। इसकी भी तबीयत ढीली है, टाइट है। और मेरा बच्चा, इनको बुखार है, मुझे थोड़ा सा खराश है, बट वैसे वी आर फाइन। सो हम लोग लेयरिंग कर रहे हैं प्रॉपर एंड वील बाय जैकेट्स टुडे बिकॉज हमने इतना एंटिसिपेट नहीं किया था कि ठंडा हो जाएगा वेदर, बट या इट इज व्हाट इट इज। वी हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट वी एंजॉय द ट्रिप एज वेल। सो आज हम ये खरीदेंगे, है ना? And
आज हम पहले जाएंगे म्यूजियम,
हाँ,
क्योंकि वो हम ऑलरेडी टिकट बुक कर चुके हैं।
या
एक बार हमने ऑलरेडी शेड्यूल कर दिया था उसको, फिर हमने रीशेड्यूल किया, थर्ड टाइम नहीं करना चाहते। We'll go to the museum and Moco Museum.
Yeah, let's go quickly. So now I'm just gonna get quickly dressed and I will see you soon.
Okay, so मैं कैसे लेयर कर रहा हूँ? This is my first outfit. I have some
Innerwear.
If I feel too cold, this is my second outfit. If I feel cold, I'm done with this. And the third one,
There's more.
even if this is not sufficient, क्योंकि कल का experience इतना अच्छा नहीं था, I have this jacket from Decathlon.
And
Yeah,
you're
we'll
all
close this
geared
and
up. Day 2.
ready for the adventure.
Ready for museums, canals, and lots and lots of pictures.
ओ ठंडा लग रहा है तुम्हें?
Yes.
बाहर निकलते ही?
It's cold AF.
So common entrance for metro. Sorry, this is train. Huh? Albert Heijn.
Yeah.
Yay! Amsterdam card. To go there.
It's very easy to use and commute. We will suggest everyone to get it if you are traveling or staying in Amsterdam. Just have to take the card, punch it here, and then you can go straight in. That's what I'm going to do now.
We have to go Gen. Gen is that side. So M50 Gen.
School one year.
That's our station.
You have to like that. Okay. Now it will take how much time? Around 30 minutes?
No, this will take like 15 minutes.
Okay.
Like cycle.
Deze metro gaat richting Gein.
Liking it?
And we reached to our next one.
Left or right? You have to go there.
It was a beautiful, quaint area of Heemstede. I'm sorry if I mispronounce it, but the area was like a hidden spot. The next tram will be here in a few minutes, so we waited and of course took some pictures as usual. Look how lovely the tracks look with the grass.
Yay! आ गए.
Finally, we reached the museum plain area where most of the museums are, and our first stop was Moco Museum. Known for its modern and contemporary art exhibits, we quickly entered and started our display with Robbie Williams. Just a tip, you're allowed to carry your bags but only in the front. Every art piece here had a brief description of its artist and history, which was very helpful. All of the art pieces were quite funny and relatable. Few of them had interactive cards like this one, 5 things I like about myself. And just like that, the entire place was covered with rich art of various artists. Rooms were clubbed with different exhibits. Sadly, we could not explore all of them, but we made sure to cover as much as possible. And here is the Let Her Be Free painting, and this is the animated version that you can get on the Moco app. We saw the works of Banksy, KAWS, Andy Warhol, The Kid, and many more.
Then we saw the 3D animation of a lady walking along with the metallic floating robot which glows and levitates before us, and it's a prediction of the future. Then we moved to the basement for digital immersive art of reflecting forward with the world famous diamond matrix, and we live in the bubbled rooms. This place was divided into small rooms and galleries of different displays. Like the bubble room was red and black. Then we moved forward to the diamond matrix room, which was just breathtaking. I mean, I was the most excited for this one, and it was insane. The colors, the reflections, and the lighting was just mesmerizing. We sure had our fun in the Diamond Matrix room and tried to take some cool shots, but as you can see, it was काफी crowded, so we just did what we could. Then outside the museum, there was some sort of a fair where people were actually playing and there were shops. In the Moco Garden, we saw this portal cube of infinite dimensions. This was truly captivating. It started raining, so we could not film the exit, but here are some snaps. शाम हो गई थी और हमें भूख भी लगी थी, so we were looking for some food in this fair or Amsterdam का मेला. But there were so many cool shops to shop from. There were bakeries also, but काफ़ी pricey था. I also saw an Indian store as well. Oh yeah, how cute. There was this shop that had everything crochet, like from the decor to the jewelry. Weather इतना अच्छा था, but कुछ भी interesting नहीं मिल रहा था. And then finally we saw this place.
क्या लेने आए हो तुम आज?
A dog.
एक ले ले, दो ले ले. अभी दो ले लिए. ठीक है.
भूख लगी है, हॉट डॉग खा रहे हैं.
American style.
And we are at the Van Gogh Museum. Good one,
कबूतर की पार्टी कर दी तूने?
This is the first time I saw peonies growing in gardens. How lovely. And this is the famous Rijks Museum that we could not explore because we were short on time, but we made sure we take pictures just to remember the majestic architecture and just the royal presence of it. It was raining on and off, so we took the next tram and went to the Dam Square because we couldn't explore yesterday. We reached at this huge palace, which is actually the shopping mall called the Magna Plaza in Amsterdam, and opposite to this is the new church, which was very beautiful, and they had something going on inside. Anyways, adjacent to that was the Royal Palace of Amsterdam, and it was such a huge building, मतलब frame में भी नहीं आ रही थी ये. And there it was, we entered the Dam Square, which is also the town square of Amsterdam. On the left hand side are the shopping streets, the Damrecht streets, and on the right is the Madame Tussauds Museum. And in the middle there were so many pigeons, मतलब मुझे बिल्कुल उदयपुर की याद आ गई थी with all of these pigeons and people around them. People were feeding them, taking pictures with them and trying to catch them as well. यहाँ पे आप देखिए नितिन ने भी बहती गंगा में हाथ धो लिया and obviously I followed him. How cute! ये पकड़ो ये.
हाँ, कबूतर को पकड़ा, मैं पास लाता हूँ. बस ऐसे करके रखो, अपने आप आएंगे. Don't scare. Yes.
Then we saw this Lego store with a Lego windmill. How cute. And the Amsterdam Zara with so many other stores. City, we strolled to the damn streets. We saw cute cafes and luxury stores like Dior and beautiful infrastructure, and finally the National Monument of Amsterdam. And then we left the Dam Square by metro.
Going to Amsterdam Central.
We are going for a canal cruise. आराम से ये वही वाला है जिसमें बेहोशी आ रही थी. Don't look at the side. It's very steep.
Very steep.
हाँ, for डर लगने लगता है मुझे कि मैं कहीं घिसकती हुई ना गिर जाऊँ. सही में. अभी भी मुझे नीचे देखने में डर लग रहा है.
Well, it's like a
It's like climbing a
4-5
mountain.
फ्लोर नीचे.
I say climbing a mountain.
नोड और जुइड. नोड जाना है. कहाँ जा रहे हो अकेले अकेले? अकेले अकेले कहाँ जा रहे हो?
कहीं भी नहीं तुम्हारे साथ ही जा रही हूँ. Central Station for the first time.
Central Station.
And then we finally reached the Amsterdam Central Station. We took the right exit, and there it was, the Amstel River and the dock. I was trying to be careful and not stand on the cycle lane. People take it very seriously here. कहाँ गए?
Amsterdam Central.
Central.
So it's a bus station, metro station, tram station,
Everything.
and a train station, and a ferry station, and a canal cruise station.
And just opposite the river was the over the edge swing. It's on the top of the 20th story building. मतलब हमारी तो हिम्मत नहीं थी ये करने की बिल्कुल भी. So we just skipped it. And we went for a short walk on the dock where we saw seagulls, ferry, and it was just a surreal moment to be witnessing this view. We just soaked in the sun for some time. And then we took the other exit and saw the actual Amsterdam Central Station building, which was very similar to the Rijksmuseum, as both were designed by the same artist. Every detail was just made with love, is what I saw. It was beautiful, both of them are. And then we went on canal tour hunting and saw some oldies singing on the road alongside the station, and finally found one that was available for the next hour.
Take the window seat if possible. You want to see the tickets? Okay, thank you. At least one of us will have it.
वैसे भी दो लोग का तो नहीं होता था.
Okay, so we have kind of a window seat.
At least we one day. There's a small toilet in the back of the ship, only for number one. For emergencies, please keep it tidy. One of the few free toilets in Amsterdam. Also, the windows can open for ventilation, but please keep your arms and hands inside the boat at all times.
And there started our lovely canal cruise by the GVB tram and metro office, and on the side is the Amsterdam Central Station. And here we go under the bridge. I was again in awe of the iconic structure in front of me. I mean, the details, the stonework, and the clock tower. Truly a symbolic landmark in the city's skyline.
Across the Amstel River. Of Amsterdam's 1,500 or so bridges, this is the most famous. It dates back to the 17th century and was likely a narrow footbridge. Since then, it's been reconstructed more than once and grown wider with age. Legend has it that whoever you kiss while passing under the bridge will be your true love for life.
My true love is already on board this cruise with me, so thanks, Lover Bridge. By the way, the city got its name from the Amstel River. The river is lined with charmed houseboats, and it is believed that most people prefer houseboats instead of owning a land property in Amsterdam.
हो सकता है किसी के साथ भी हो सकता है.
Now we are passing by the Amsterdam prison, a man-made island originally built in the early 20th century. This prison definitely contrasts with the more picturesque surroundings of the Amsterdam canals. As we continue, we were surrounded by some of Amsterdam's most beautiful historic buildings. These structures showcase the city's rich architecture heritage, particularly from the Golden Dutch Age. People sitting by the canals were waving at us, which was unusual at first but an endearing experience. At one time, these canal houses were homes to wealthy merchants. Many of these buildings are centuries old, yet they remain well preserved. What a glimpse in the city's past.
Cheese museum भी है.
So inside you can also see
Street. In general, though, it was the cow and sometimes the goat or hare whose skins were tanned, and these were used to make shoes, saddles, and many other items. With cute little shops and fancy restaurants, and the air is fresh and appealing. Otherwise referred to as the famous skinny.
The building's height equals the depth of the tunnel. Emo gets its green color from the oxidated copper that covers its walls. There's a unique sand-filled terrace on the roof where you'll find sunbathers searching for rays while enjoying beautiful views of the harbor and the city.
This looked like the modern side of Amsterdam with the glass box buildings and the corporate offices. We also crossed this floating Chinese restaurant called the Sea Palace. Then we passed the Amsterdam station dock and spotted the setting sun from the boat. It was again a special moment. I wish we were alone. And just like that, an hour passed by and we were back where we had started at the Amsterdam Central Station. We took the Stroma Canal cruise. If anyone's interested, you can book through them. Our captain was full of fun facts.
That was your ride?
Very nice.
That was your ride?
Very smooth. This was my ride. Look.
And we walked back to the Damrak streets for our dinner, realizing that the Dam Square was not very far off from the Amsterdam Central. So Amsterdam is very well connected. Map पे ही लगता है बहुत दूर है, but actually काफी सारे areas बहुत पास-पास हैं.
Ending our day like this because it got really cold. But आज भी हमने बहुत एक्सप्लोर किया. मज़ा आया. Canal taste किया. That was amazing. And Central गए, Amsterdam Central गए.
See you at the hotel.
We just crashed back at the hotel and could not end the vlog. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe for more such content. Also, stay tuned for our last day in Amsterdam. The vlog is coming soon. Until then, I'll see you in my next. Bye-bye.